Very dark man, thank you for lending your voice also in support of the release of what? Of Nnamdi Kanu. This guy don't there. They separated him from his family. The same thing when they accuse him for. When they never see evidence, they establish their facts. They only put that man there because of their selfish purpose. That make they put that particular man there, Nnamdi Kanu. Igboho agitate for their own country. Say they won't come up for Nigeria. He was arrested, and at the same time, they don't release and Igboho is moving freely. There are a lot of people, Boko Haram, all of the matter. They go, they negotiate peace with those ones. The ones when say that they give Nigeria a tough time. They buy people. They carry them, they go bush. Then they go, they make peace with them. It's like they beg them, say I beg. To the extent they say some don't repent. I things they give them, they beg them. Waiting Nnamdi Kanu do. Everything that man said has come to pass. Everything he has foreseen and said concerning this their particular system is coming to pass gradually. And I'm using this opportunity to address all the evil big men. Because of their selfish purposes, all of them don't they go. They go the office, go the night down. Go have this money, they have this influence, but they will never agitate for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. They will never, because they don't want a better Nigeria. They take advantage of the loophole, the gallop, when they're on ground now. Now all of them, they do it, they take advantage of. That is why VDM has come to liberate the people, give them the voice. Do you imagine? VDM uses his voice for him. Nothing he do, the only thing he said was come, now like this we go be. Let's separate ourselves, now you do. Then prove the reason why he will not separate himself. That is what you guys need to prove. Now, whatever thing he said is repeating himself over and over again. That every good meaning person when he need life goes okay, he won't come much. Yes, insecurity full everywhere. The economic is nowhere to talk of. Presently, nobody is safe. The Igbo influencers, one are supposed to come together. When I go, they lie down. They lie down for office. They lie down for office. Selfish for their own reason. They separated this man from his family for so long. And most of them, when they say they do worst, they are working freely. This is what injustice for one, and it is injustice for all.
Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. We criticized Igbo elites who only speak on television or social media. He urged them to march to Aso Rock, Nigeria's seat of power, and demand Kanu's release in person. If the government can negotiate with terrorists, why not with Nnamdi Kanu? He referenced past amnesty and dialogue efforts with Boko Haram and bandits, contrasting it with the continued detention of Kanu despite multiple court rulings in his favor. #free Nnamdi Kanu now.